Um, so guys, let me just quickly show you guys how to be an ultimate scalper on MT5. Once you enter the MT5 platform, you just destroy what I call forex trading within few seconds or few minutes. So let me just show you guys this now, okay? These are these are just kind of, I'll call it a strategy, and at the same time I'll call it a principle, because once you miss one of the rules and regulation in this thing, trust me, you're going to make a very huge mistake and you blow your account. So just like I'm saying, first of all, now you have to, this is your highest point here and this is your lowest point. You have to identify these 2 points: highest height, lowest low. Okay, once you're done with this, just then try to identify support and resistance. As you can see, price supported here, resisted here, supported here. So that is how you just continuously do. Identify your support and resistances. There's another one here. There's another one here. There's resistance. There's support. There's resistance. There's kind of resistance here also, coming all the way here. So it is another resistance. There's another one here. So you continuously do so until you come. This, mind you, this is on the daily time frame. This is one daily here. This is one day, and this is it here. Daily time frame. So you identify. I'm just giving you guys a tip of an iceberg of how I use my strategies, and already we have like three different strategies. We have the SMC, we have the support and resistances, and also we have the normal retail trading concept, which is also called trend following strategy. So as you can see now, this is my support and resistance. I use this one for scalping. I don't use it for day trading or any other stores like that. I use it mainly for scalping. So mind you, once you're using it, be careful. Be very, very careful how you use this one. So that is it, guys. Once you're done identify your support and resistances here, you just have to mark out your zones. So you understand the market directions first. Now I'm done. Firstly, I'm using line chart to mark out my support and resistance. Sorry for not saying this on time. I'm using line chart to mark out my support and resistances here. So once I'm done with using the line chart, I'll convert. This is where I convert to candlestick over here. Candlestick, I click it, it converts to candlestick. I'll mark out my zone. What is a zone? A zone is defined or can be known as an area where price tends to reverse multiple times. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a zone. Let's look for another zone. If you follow the definition well, you understand what a zone means. Let's go again. A zone can be defined as an area where price reverses multiple times. Where's our zone here? This is another zone here. So have you seen that forex trading is not that hard? It's not that much hard as you think. That is scalping for you. But you know, scalping is very risky. But if you understand how it goes, you're going to make huge amount of money from there. So this is a 4 hour time frame. You have to switch to the line chart again. Identify your support and resistance. Once you go to another time frame, try to identify your support and resistance first and foremost. Okay, this is it here. I can see another one here. Okay, and I can also spot another support and resistances below here. So there are also chart patterns we look for when we are trading this kind of strategy. It makes money a lot, but at the same time, you're going to lose money if you misplace one of the rules of the strategy. This is my trend now. This is the lower time frame trend. You have to always, once you place a trend, you have to always do this. So to show you that is a trend breakout, this is a breakout here now. So where is your zone? This is your zone. This is your zone here now. As you can see, price already broke out of this trend, broke out of this zone. So it's an uptrend. We are going for an uptrend already, but you're not going to neglect this. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. Oh, yeah, this is the correct trend here. This is the trend here now. Breakout of this one formed another downtrend breakout. So we are looking for an uptrend, possible uptrend now. Going to the 1 hour time frame, you have to identify the trend on each time frame. Don't always fail to identify the trend, because once you fail, you're going to make a blatant mistake here. This is the trend on the lower time frame on the 1 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're having a downtrend. On the 1 hour time frame, we're having a uptrend. On the overall daily time frame, on the daily time frame, let's know what is the trend there. On the daily time frame, we are getting an uptrend, which is this now. I want you guys to always understand that there are different trends. This is the trend on the daily time frame. So we have already created higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Now we are going for another highs now. So that's the more reason why you have to understand the trend direction on the bigger time frame. That is the overall time frame you have to focus on. That is the overall direction you have to focus on, the bigger time frame, which is the daily time frame. So now we are going gradually to the 1 hour time frame now. 1 hour time frame is also supporting the daily time frame, which is this now. What are we looking for now? Price could do two things. It's either price comes here to go up, or from here price continuously go up. That's the two anticipation. That's how trading works. You have to keep your mind in a contingency plan. Like you have to develop two strategies, two plans ahead of any actions the price might give you, the market might give you. So another one is we have to identify what are the possible patterns formed now on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's just see now. This is what I call a double bottom. This is a double bottom. One, two, breakout, retest. This is a breakout and retest. And now, what is the pattern formed on this breakout and retest? That's what I want you guys to identify. This is a triangle pattern. The next thing you should do now is from here, this point now, you have to start adding. It's either you put your buy order here, your buy stop at this level, but at the same time, you don't have to, like, because this is a scalping strategy. I call it a scalping strategy because it works effectively with scalping more than day trading. So as you can see now, I have to add, like, let's say I have $100 account. 0.01 is the lot size I'm going to use. 0.01 from here, here, 0.01 all the way. So when I'm stacking 0.01, 0.0, and I'm only opening it on only one pair or one currency or one instrument. I'm only opening it on one instrument. Once I am done, I'll just let the trade. Once the trade starts to go bullish, I'll let the trade to run to see what the trade is going to give me maximum. So that's the scalping strategy I said I wanted to teach you guys. This is a tip of an iceberg. Out of 100% of this scalping strategy, I just only gave you a 15% of this strategy. So once you're done with trade babypips.com, learning the babypips.com, that's the courses. Once you're done with it, I will take you further to the next stage, to the next direction, which is going to make you much more profitable. Even with $10 account, you can be able to flip it to $100 within 1 day, or within 2 weeks, or within 1 week, depending on your reasons for trading. So that's just it, guys. Thanks for watching this, and hopefully you guys make it.